Good afternoon. Today 17 August 2026 and right now time is 3:35 p.m. Presently I am in Porshurambari under East Champachora DC village, Tulashikar Agri subdivision. So this is exotic mango garden under MOBC DNER phase 4. So the plot belongs to Rotiranjan Deborma of Porshurambari under East Champachora DC village. So let me ask a few questions to the owner of this plot, since he is one of the BUD member of Bosong Organic FPC and he is looking after this garden as well as he is the board member of Bosong Organic FPC under MOBC DNER. So let me ask few questions in our own language. Gai roti saga ini ni ojaga je thaisuk जों बुफां नुकमानि म अजगा जागाले बुसुक बाङाव जातुता
जागा टोटाल सरकारि दङ सार
सरकारि दङ ना गायनि नजगा कयटा कय बुसुक थाइसु कायखा कय भेराइटि
थाइसु गर तीनटा भेराइटि मिलिवै 400टा दङ सार
400टा दङ
400टा दङ
गायनि नजगा बबो भेराइटि लाबो थाइसुकनि
किं सागापात बनाना मैंगो एरपरे काटिमन
माने तीनटा भेराइटि न कायखाने गायनि नजा कथां बदिनो कायमानि म
कायमानि ठीक दिनले मुचुकुरि खाहे पन सप्ताह कायसा काया सार
सप्ताह कायसा काया 4-5 दिन ओंखाना
5 दिन नंगौ
दाखन हामबाय. So this is the exotic mango garden and variety grown here are king of chakapat and banana, also katimon. So altogether the total area as per his statement is around 4 kani, but the distance I don't think it's 5 meter, but it's okay because the size of this mango tree is not big as variety like him shagar or other variety. So here he is my circle in charge, Surojit Deborma of Purbo Champachora or East Champachora under this subdivision. Okay, that's Surojit. Ojaga sala je ojaga bin mo to je chara tongmani mo mane thangri narak mano karon ojaga tutui botongo ganawo.
Thangmage to thangnai sar. Kintu distance kicha ganang thaka. Mo kusal nete se phui te pun jaga kaisile sar.
Mane tabuk distance kai busuk rok tong.
Distance tabu prai 3 meter rok sar.
Acha.
Ke chung kai 4 meter kai nahi tung.
4 meter ba 5 meter. Ngai to binmo jaga teksa fuar na nangnai yango. Uyango jaga ta hon koroti.
Tong sarango.
Acha. Ngai nina jaga roti jaga anaros bokisa nukmani anaros khaitam jadlabo.
Queen pineapple sar.
Oh, ngai aboki tonina ta natam khane. Na jaga.
Toni bori man sar mo jeting esa toni ni.
Ngai jaga kisani na bolongle nukjago kintu go moki bolong mana tam khainala mo na bit
bolong to mo bolong jabra thimani bithirika abo thithangna koyekdin bisingono abo thimani pore engai mo khana sung budal naharai lebar theboi sung hapanai to jabra ba thibeni sa
dasoro de jaga je mo ko thaijo kaimani mane pura Tulashikar Agri subdivision keboni thaisuk mane exotic thaisuk bi o je variety jemon bosaga katimon king of chakapot engai banana abo hai variety thaisuk kebo kainde tong মানে মানে নিজেনি অনুদ্যোগে মানে ঠাই রক টংনাই রাতি রকছে মানে অক মানে 1-2 বছর রংখা বিয়াং রক টঙাবো
আবো মো
পূর্ব তকচায়ও মানে নিজে সকাই মানি বুসুক বাগান তরাব খায়
বেনি আমতিনো 0.5 রক নন
0.5 মানে 3 কানি সোয়াতিন কানি হেরকটা. So this is the overview of this exotic mango garden under MOBC DNER phase 4 and this plot belongs to Rotiranjan Deborma. Since the plot seems to be not clean till now, but he said that he already applied some weedicide, but as per my observation I think weedicide should not be used, since this garden will come after this organic mission. So my suggestion is just to as soon as the means weeds are there, he should grow other crop instead of applying frequently these weedicides. So the variety grown here is King of Chakapat, then banana and Katimon mango. Total busuk salah sing kamu nengaja chas. Ngkaini mo ketang narana bagini to tuibo gorma tongo ka jani to motor pump set ok bari mano nang. Ngamen ke nang side mano ja bo tam variety salamo King of Chakapat. Te nanga tik budi kai kha mane kono specification je molai no khai King of Chakapat ba molai no khai inko banana mango mono aja khai Katimon hne.
Molai no hongkai jo to no King of Chakapat. Gau kesara hongkai banana mango. Gau ayang sakani kinara hongkai abo Katimon.
Katimon adi kai khana.
Kai sini jagoni bagini.
Da kon nirmo kintu ekdom poriskar kai nai chong nong nai. Abon bising tei kinara da tei rina bo subidang nai. So I wish all the best to my cultivator, come a beauty member of Bosong Organic APC under MOBC DNR Phase 4. Will be, because it is not much far from our headquarter office, so we can look after this garden, since at least for fruiting we have to wait for another 3 to 4 years, then only he can harvest the fruits from this garden. So from Tulashikor Agri Subdivision, I personally thanks to my circle in charge Sorojit Debborma of Purbo Champachora and Rotiranjan Debborma, beauty member of Bosong Organic APC, as well as he is also one of my beneficiary under MOBC DNR Phase 4. So this block is King of Chakapat. Then the next plot mixed with this Queen Pineapple is banana mango. Then last part is Katimon mango. So we'll be updated this video once he start cleaning all the jungle. Then we'll come again to this plot just to update. But since as per my observation, I think it will be good for the Tulashikor Agri Subdivision that we are doing this organic mango cultivation under MOBC DNR. So this is the fencing, and this is the small stream, you can say, Gorma stream. So during the critical stage for water, he can apply water from this small stream. So thank you everyone.